how I spent $5 on YouTube ads just the other day, how I made $500 back. The offer I was selling was the master bundle for just $4.97, and this is with my personal brand. And by the way, anyone can do something like this just by doing affiliate marketing, promoting someone else's stuff. You can easily do something like this. Maybe you would need to start a YouTube channel or something for the specific method so you could do retargeting ads. So the offer I was selling, guys, is this $497 offer, and it's the master bundle here. It's just all my courses and everything I offer basically just for $497. Like, you're getting insane value when you purchase this, and that's why I did it as the ad. And so I picked one of my best videos as my ad, and it was an in-stream ad. And I just ran it on YouTube. You could see right here, if you want to pause the video, you could see the link I sent them to, my call to action, my headline. This is the only headline I could do that would fit the master bundle word. I would have said the master bundle, but it didn't have enough characters. So the targeting here that I did, all my subscribers plus people who have liked my videos on this channel. And I had that set up way before. Once you start a YouTube channel, you should set that up and connect your AdWords account, YouTube ads, and your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel. I did very broad demographic targeting, so every age, every gender. Then I did worldwide for the ad because anyone could buy, and it also makes the ad cheaper. And then my bid was just $1. It doesn't spend $1 per view or per click necessarily. It will get approved without any issues, and it'll run the traffic no problem. You'll spend above other competitors who are advertising basically. And retargeting ads have very good pricing. They're very cost effective running YouTube ads that are retargeting ads. And that is because you're retargeting people who know who you are, not people who have no clue who you are. That's why it does even better. I spent $5 on ads. I called it the $5 YouTube ad. And I was targeting subscribers and then people who've liked the video. And I did worldwide English. So here are the results after the end of the day, and it spent the $5 pretty freaking fast. It only got so many impressions. Like, $5 will only go so far, you know. 28th, got the sale. Kent Hollow. If you're watching this, Kent Hollow, thank you for your sale, brother. It means a lot for this video here. And I hope you're getting a ton of value in the program. If you're watching this, let me know. I don't know if you're going to see this video. Who knows? After the purchase, they take out some of it. Was with the Teachable platform is where the course is hosted on. So they keep $50 or something of it. But anyway, the view rate was high because it's a retargeting ad, and the cost was $5. And then one conversion right there because I had a pixel in place. Now, why did I know that I'd get a sale from doing this? The truth is, I didn't fully know if I would or not. I did assume I'd get more than at least one sale. Well, at least I got one sale. See, I thought I would get 2 sales. $5 only goes so far when you do $5 in marketing. But still, how much of an ROI really is that? Return on investment. So it's really good. And it worked because I was targeting true fans, people who've liked videos and people who have subscribed to the channel. And that's why it worked. Now, if you guys want to get more value and get similar results as this, like, this is some of the easiest stuff in the world to do for sure. It does require having some form of authority, results, and being able to help other people and provide good offers and services for other people. If you don't want to have your own offers, you can easily do affiliate marketing. I have exclusive affiliate marketing offers for you guys to promote in the Done For You system. It's all step-by-step. It's also got videos inside for training for everything to be easier. You know, the money you can make with it's literally limitless. The skills you can get from it's literally limitless. I mean, I've already had tons of people purchase, go inside the Done For You system, and the result I'm hearing from people is insane, and the feedback I'm hearing from people is insane. But this video is about inspiring you and showing you, like, you can make crazy easy money just spending $5. The money out here in this world is crazy big. If you never made money online, hopefully this inspires you. You can do it too, no problem.